Hi, I'm Guy Cook. And you know how you keep hearing that people are using artificial intelligence? Well, I tried using artificial intelligence and I used Jasper. I asked Jasper, I said, what are the web development trends to watch in 2023? And it gave me back a list, and I'm not going to read the whole list. I'll point you at the show notes for the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com for this episode. And it's going to talk about everything that's listed in there. There's 14 different things, and I could take up a lot of your time reading that to you, but I think you'd be better served to read it yourself. I put in a hyperlink for each of those in the Google document. So take a minute and take a look, and I think you're going to get some heads up on the web development trends to watch in 2023.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking.